My name is Nanya Kwabunapart, a Cohort 9 scholar. I'm a first-year student reading BSc LLB.
My name is Jessica Afiadenyo, a Cohort 8 scholar. I'm reading LLB and I'm in second year.
During this summer camp skills, I chose yogurt production because I really have an interest in making yogurt. So far, our facilitators have taught us so much about making yogurt. They've taught us in details about how yogurt is being made.
My experience so far during this yogurt production has been great. How to differentiate between the types of yogurt on the market. Right now, I can differentiate between the drinking one and the set one. So far, we've been able to make the yogurt for ourselves.
Thank you, Mastercard, for giving us this opportunity to learn different skills.
They've taught us a lot of skills, and I believe that even as I complete school, I'll be able to use these skills to do something to generate income, even when I'm not in the professional field. So Mastercard Foundation, God bless you all.
My name is Eric Osumensa, lecturer food science department at the College of Science, and for the past 4 days we have been training scholars of Mastercard on how to do yogurt. Of course, you all know yogurt, one of the best nutritious products, so most of the about 69 of them were interested. From Monday and Tuesday teaching them on the theory, and Wednesday they zoomed down, and I'm sure that they have responded. They have done their own yogurt. On Monday's BC, they will show different types of yogurt. So this is from the student. This is strawberry. They are doing pineapple, vanilla. Some want to add different fruit, local fruit, and all that. That is really fantastic. I think that it's a good platform that after school, they can actually come out with their own businesses. And that's what KNUST want to do. Contribute to the economy. They can employ themselves and go give job to Ghana. So the students were really enthused. Most of them had interest in the yogurt. The response was very good. They were asking more questions, and I think that's great. We asked a student who did not even choose yogurt, but they sneak to come in. They like it so much, and I like the way they are contributing, asking much questions. And then we want to thank Mastercard.